Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Product. Today we are talking about the best baby nail kit that makes baby grooming safe and stress-free for parents. If you are looking for a simple and gentle way to trim your baby's tiny nails, you are in the right place. Let's get started. Today I am introducing the Balenciaga Baby Nail Kit. This is a 4 inches 1 grooming set made especially for newborns and infants. It comes with baby nail clippers, baby scissors, a fine nail file, and round head tweezers. Everything you need is in one small kit, so you do not have to search for tools separately. Let's start with the baby nail clippers. The Balenciaga Baby Nail Kit includes clippers with a non-slip handle. This gives you a firm grip, which is very important when you are trimming tiny nails. The slim design helps you see clearly while cutting, so you can trim carefully without hurting your baby's soft skin. Next, the scissors come with a large ergonomic grip. This makes them comfortable to hold and easy to control. When you feel more in control, you feel more confident. That means less stress for you and a safer experience for your baby. The fine nail file is perfect for smoothing sharp edges after trimming. Babies often scratch their face with rough nails. With this gentle file, you can softly smooth the nails and help prevent small scratches. You also get round head tweezers. The tips are rounded for extra safety. They are helpful for picking up tiny bits of dirt around the nails without poking or harming delicate skin. All the tools in the Balenciaga Baby Nail Kit are made from high-quality, precision stainless steel. This means they resist rust and stay sharp and strong over time. The handles are made from non-toxic, non-slip ABS material. This keeps the tools safe for your baby and comfortable for you to use. Another great feature is the cute and durable protective case. It keeps all the tools clean and dust-free. You can store it neatly at home or carry it in your bag when traveling. Everything stays organized in one place. The Balenciaga Baby Nail Kit is designed with both babies and mothers in mind. It supports your baby's hygiene and helps prevent nail biting and accidental scratches. It also makes a thoughtful gift for new moms, especially on special occasions like Mother's Day. On top of that, Balenciaga offers responsive customer service, showing they truly care about parents and babies. That extra support gives peace of mind. Small tool, big difference. If you want safe and gentle nail care for your little one, check the price link in the description and see if this is the right choice for you. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more helpful product videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.